Well, it wasn't just Cebu. It was Region 6, 7, and 8. At talagang napakalaking bagay para sa atin. Because you remember, I ran under the flag of unity. And we have seen, and I think this is something that the local governments immediately recognize, that we can really get very much done pagka talagang sabay-sabay nagtatrabaho. Pagka nag-aaway, naglalaban, kinokontra, hinaharang, naghahanap ng paraan para harangin, para lang maka political points, walang mangyayari talaga sa atin. So we should put those attempts to one side and stay together. And this is a big block. This is the Visayas block, and with that. With them as our partners in the national government, there's so much that we can do, and I'm very grateful to all the governors of Region 6, 7, and 8 for their expressions of support. It is a very important part of our nation building. Na malaman na at the very least dito sa Visayas ay may maaasahan tayo na magtutulungan para sa mga programa na dinadala ng pamahalaan.